I had a bunch of stuff planned for today. But we actually have snow in the forecast in about 3 days. Next 2 days are going to be in the 70s Fahrenheit, and then it's going to be quite cold again for about 3 days. So I was going to put stuff down on the lawns today for grubs and other types of pests that get in your lawn. I had a product. I'll show you the product that we were going to use. The Mower insecticide. So we'll be putting this down soon and we'll go over all that. Then I also got stuff, the Delta Dust that I was telling you about. That'd be for the wasp. I've got another trick too that I learned that somebody told me about. And the Mower also, somebody told me about this. So the good thing is with the little like sleet, snow, whatever you want to call that, why that's going on, that'd be probably Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week. When that's going on, I can get some more products ordered from what everyone's been recommending. And so far, everything I've been recommended has been working great. So I'll just keep stocking up on that. All right, I got a bunch of stuff over here. Ignore this. But yeah, we're gonna be using some of this Primo Max, this plant growth regulator. Got a bunch of good stuff over here. We'll be using up that. Here's that spoon juice that came messed up. They sent out another one. I think that comes today. Got the Hydrotain right there. The Humic 12. Iron Plus. I ordered some more of that. And then this is Bio MP. Then I also have up here, we've got the a full thing of the RGS, the root growth stimulator right there. Keep stocking up, keep recommending them, I'll pick them up. Thanks for all your recommendations. What are we gonna do today? Well, I went ahead and I cleaned the garage up. I think it looks a little bit better. All right, yeah, looks a little better. Got that cleaned up. Yeah, we're gonna be working here in the backyard today. I would say it's looking quite nice. Growth is coming in. The fertilizer gave it a nice boost. Everything's doing as it's supposed to be doing. But I've noticed that the grass is actually, it's getting kind of tall. So I think what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna mow high. Then we're gonna get this edge cleaned up. So we'll edge, we'll mow, and then let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, we'll probably trim up against the fence here with the trimmer. Grass is looking good though. We'll definitely be seeding back here this season. And then on the sides, we're looking good too so far. So everything's looking pretty good. But yeah, we're just gonna simply do a little mow, edge, trim, call it a day, and then we'll see where we're at tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, I'll keep an eye on that weather. I might still get some stuff down before that comes because I know it's not really gonna be snow that sticks. It's just gonna be cold. So yeah, maybe we'll get some other stuff down the day or two before that happens. And we'll let the rain/sleet snow do the work for us. I'm gonna go ahead and start to mow. Apparently we got distracted again and we started cleaning the mowers, and then my son, he really wants a mower, apparently. We have a bunch of them, the little baby ones. So he gets the Cobalt brushless with no battery in it. He can push it around wherever he wants. It's actually not a bad second mower to have. It just doesn't cut tall grass so well. Yeah, it kind of just bogs out, just turns off. It will actually hurt you too. When it turns off, it stops like immediately. It does not roll. It's like a brake engages or something. But I put a new blade on that last season. It cuts pretty good, but the tall grass, not so great. Yeah, we just finished. We just cleaned these up, wiped them down real quick. And it's warmed up a little bit. So now I'm gonna go edge first, then trim, and then we'll come back and we'll mow everything. Yeah, let's go. just got done with that. Here's a final look. I think it's coming along. So I ended up going one lower, but I went over the whole thing first just to see what my height was going to be, but I think we're good with that. That's perfect. It's looking good. Some of those bare spots over there are starting to fill in a little bit. Some of this is already filled in. And we'll get some of these. Some of the stuff's from the dog. Some shooting golf balls, right? But I started going around these. I'm going to get this one probably tomorrow. I'll make another video and do some other stuff. We'll get that one. I got this one done. Do that each season. I never mess with these, but I kind of mow under them. They've got, you don't want to go in there. Same thing over here. Just mow, got up. I'll come back tomorrow and trim any of the stuff that I see up on the fence. I've got like some little shears to do that, or you can use the rotary disc thing. And the next thing we'll do is we'll get that grub stuff down and we'll deal with these bees. Not the bees, we're not killing the bees. We'll deal with the wasps, the hornets with the delta dust, and getting the wand up here. Right now it's too cool, so they're not really traveling. I don't really see them at all today, but they like to travel. And you'll see them, they'll go down here, and they'll go over here. They look for water and food, I guess. They like to hit up the peach tree that's blooming. And you'll see some of these are already coming in. This one that we pruned starting to push. This one is, see, this one's starting. Might not look like much now, but this thing gets crazy. And then these are starting as well. This is going to be bright pink. It's a crabapple. My allergies are starting to get to me today. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully that rain / sleet, snow, whatever, it comes when it's supposed to, and we'll get down that product probably Sunday or Monday. But tomorrow we'll be doing something different. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the Arden. Peace.